look at all these boxes.
It's like Christmas here at Signature Solar. We've got Tucker USA solar panel cleaning accessories to help us get the best performance out of our solar systems. Let's see what kind of accessories Tucker USA offers. Oh wait, that's not a trumpet. That's their ultra valve. Has an on-off switch. It has a male inlet for connecting to your water hose and a quick connect for connecting your brushes, and has an easily removable, replaceable part. Next, we have a TDS meter. This will measure the total dissolved solids in your water as well as temperature. Here we have Tucker Jr. He's made of carbon fiber. This is where you'll feed your tubing through to make this a water-fed pole. When he is collapsed, he's 4 foot 4 inches in length, and he can extend all the way out to 11 foot total. Extended form at its highest height, at its most extended length, he will extend to 11 foot.
Yeah.
Meet Tucker Bravo. He is also a water-fed pole. Just attach your water hose to the end, and he stands 5 feet 7 inches tall. He extends to 22.5 feet so that you can work up to 3 stories tall. Now, Mr. Bravo here is made of a mixture of carbon fiber and fiberglass to add in a little more flexibility. What else is in this Bravo box? We've got 100 foot of hose with a quick connect on the end for our ultra valve. Let's see what's in the box. Always good when they throw in some cool stickers. Look at this cool brush that attaches onto the end of your pole. We've got 4 jets for the water and the resin, with some hose and some quick connect adapters, and an attachment to attach it to the pole. And this will attach your hose to your tank. Now, the brush head that comes with Tucker Bravo is 11 inches by 3 inches with 4 jet heads. Now we have the extra large Tucker Glide brush. It's 18 Alpha GL XL, and it is larger than the standard one that comes with Tucker Bravo. It does have a swivel head. It has still your standard 4 jet spray nozzles. It has your connectors, your quick connect. It has a rinse bar on the front, which you can choose to use your 4 jets separately from your rinse bar, or you can get a Y accessory to use them all at the same time. This brush does measure 16 inches in length, and it's still 3 inches wide, just like your standard. Next up, we have the Alpha Scrubbers, these are the extra large ones, which can be attached to the Alpha Scrub brush, which are also 16 inches, used for scrubbing things that you don't want to brush. Tucker hand carry hose reel. Look how nice that is. You got some brass fittings, easy to carry. You can roll it up really nicely. You got your male end and your female end, brass fittings. Portable, and you can carry it with you. It's got a locking mechanism over here so that it keeps it from unrolling too easily for you. So this is Tucker Virgin DI resin. It's a 1/2 cubic foot. This is going to be poured into your tank and mixed with water, and it's designed to purify your water so that when you clean with it, it's not going to leave streaks or film on your solar panels or your windows if you want to use it for cleaning windows. Our tank for our resin and our water that we're going to be using to clean those solar panels. Hook up your tap water supply hose to the inlet and your pure water supply line to the outlet. As the water flows through the system, it is purified by the resin. Packaged well again, all this foam. Oh, it is our funnel. This is to put our resin inside our tank. And we have another TDS meter inside our accessory box. Hey, thanks for joining us today. If you'd like to learn more about the Tucker USA cleaning supplies, feel free to give us a call.